Morning campers. As promised from last episode, this is our 1981 Volkswagen T25 Super Viking. Today's task is to get this into there. But before we do carry on with today's challenge, we do want to acknowledge the condition of the van considering its age, which is a massive credit to the two previous owners who really helped keeping the van on the road. On that note, there are various areas of rust which is to be expected on a vehicle of this age, such as the floor and the window frames, which will be one of the first jobs we tackle. As you can see, I'm up in the roof at the minute. We've got to take the tent down, unfortunately, to get it in the garage. By the looks of things, it looks relatively easy to take one of these roofs off. There are a series of screws around the edge of the tent, if you will, connecting it to the roof. Then once all those screws are off, hopefully we take out the supporting struts. Drop the roof down, take the rivets out which are holding the hinges, and hopefully, fingers crossed, pop the roof off.
All them we can take out. Yeah. And then what we'll do while you're up there, we'll take out that gas strut as well, because it serves absolutely no purpose at the moment. Get the chisel. Flick it off.
I couldn't get underneath it with the chisel either. I thought I was with drill then. Just grab my tongue.
That's actually better than that drill. Don't you think?
It's smaller,
it's smaller, but it's not as powerful.
No,
so that initial crack, that'll just bust the screw off, whereas that's more of a
it's got more
twist,
torque,
rather than power twist. Yeah. You don't have to keep shooting the screws off, that's just problems. Brilliant. It's great.
Do you want to leave this one?
Leave that one on.
Yeah.
And then what we'll do while you're up there, Chelsea, hold that, because that's just hit me on the head once, and I really don't want to hit me on the head again. Okay, so what spanners do you need up there to get that off up there?
10.
13.
10 and 13 now.
13. Are they 13s?
Aye. As you can see, part of the tent's down.
Just
More?
Okay, Josh.
Right then, as you can see, we managed to get it in. It was a bit of a nightmare, we had to take the roof off unfortunately, but it's in there, we can get on with the project. Thanks so much for watching, catch me next time. Ta-ra. Just wanted to say a massive thank you to Aaron from SW Recovery and Transport for helping us get in the van.